ingredients, baby. These are the peppers that you're gonna need. Don't ask me to pronounce them because I don't know how to say them. You need some onions, some garlic. So you're gonna de-seed them, clean them off, boil them for about 5 minutes with some water, okay? Then y'all gonna put them in the blender. I have a Vitamix. Blend them up, and then you're gonna add some more stuff to it. You'll see. Add a cup of water. Chipotle. 1 of them or 2. I'm gonna put a whole clove in there. You put 1 or 2. You don't want a lot. I have a Vitamix, so it's gonna blend up. If you don't, you can mush them up, get one of them little things and mix them up, or you can get it grounded. But that's all I can find in the store because I'm on it. You're gonna get some beef shanks, okay? You're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you're gonna brown them. Just brown them. Don't cook them all the way. Just brown them because we're gonna cook them in a crock pot for 6 hours. Okay, you guys, I have chicken and beef seasoning, and I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of each, and I'm gonna add a pinch of cinnamon, just a pinch of cinnamon, and I'm gonna add my onions and my garlic. Now this is to taste, so you can do what you want to do, okay? And I'm gonna add 2 bay leaf, as y'all can see, and I'm gonna add that mixture with the chipotle, the clove, and the peppers that I blended with water. I'm going to add it to my crock pot, and I'm going to add about 4 cups of water, like so. Now I have some Mexican oregano. This still smells so good, and I'm going to add about that much. And I'm going to add a thyme. Y'all, I'm sorry I don't measure it. I'm going to have this in a crock pot for about 6 to 8 hours. So right here, once it's done, I'm going to get the fat and just scoop it out into a bowl because that's what you're going to cook your tortillas in. So after this, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Y'all just watch and see what I did, and that's it. Remember the description, all the information in the box. And you're going to chop that little meat up. You're not going to even chop it up because it's going to be falling apart like so. And you're going to take the bones out if you want to of the little broth, the soup. I can't pronounce what it's called. You need corn tortillas. As you see, I'm going to dip them. And then I'm going to put them on the griddle or the pan or whatever y'all want to do. And cook like so. And I'm going to put mozzarella cheese on top of it and cook it like so. So, y'all, that's it. I'm not going to talk no more. Y'all just watch and enjoy. Now you guys, I'm dipping my tortillas. You can put the oil in the pan and you can add as much meat as you want to, as much cheese as you want to. But like I say, you can make your own plate. You can cook your own food. This is how I'm making my stuff. So if you don't like it, oh well. Do you, boo. Now, you guys, I did make me some salsa. If you guys want to see how I make that, y'all can add me. I mean, I'll make another video about my salsa that I make, but this pretty much it. Don't that look good? Won't you do it? So, also, you guys, I did keep a little bit of the meat in the soup. So when you dip it and all that, y'all, I can't pronounce, I don't speak no Spanish. I don't know how to say it. I just watched the video and learned how to cook it. So, y'all, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye. Mwah.